This video shows the steps to change the preset date and time in the Contour Next 1 blood glucose meter. Press and hold the OK button until the meter turns on. The home screen has two options, Logbook and Settings. To highlight the settings symbol, press the down arrow button. When the settings symbol is blinking, press the OK button to enter settings. To change the time format, if needed, press the up or down button, then press the OK button. To change the hour, press the up or down button, then press the OK button to confirm. Next, the minutes will start flashing. Press up or down to change the minutes. When you have the correct minutes on the display, press OK to confirm. Likewise, set AM or PM, and press OK to confirm. After completing the time setup, the meter will automatically move to date setup. There are two date format options. To select month, day, year, MD, or day, month, year, DM, press the up or down button, then press the OK button. The year, month, and day appear on the display and the year flashes. In similar way, set the year, month, and day. Press OK to confirm each time. The next setup option is the sound setting and meal markers. To make changes, press the up or down button to display the option you want, or press the OK button to proceed. You can turn off the meter and restart again to confirm that the changes were done. This is how you can change the time and date on the Contour Next 1 blood glucose meter. Thanks for watching.